I'll do that again. I'm coming. So I want you to copy the code here. You can comment everything you have under your deploy backend.yaml. Then paste what I just
the config YAML
no,
file.
not there. Deploy backend.yaml. Scroll up a little, go up. No, not there.
Okay.
Yes, deploy backend.yaml.
Just comment everything here.
Yes. We are not supposed to touch that. I don't know. But yes, I said you comment, not delete this. Okay. Then paste. Yeah. So let's try to add that and push our codes to Git.
What should I call?
Just change deploy backend. Something I would suggest after doing this, if this doesn't work, is to go and SSH into the machine itself, into the CircleCI machine, then try to run the Ansible playbook again. If the commands could actually work while in the machine, I don't know why Ansible was unable to have that same effect.
So I should go to CircleCI Exchange.
Yes, let's go and wait for it there. So we can, while this is running, we can actually go to the classroom and try to read some instructions on or some information about deploy backend and yeah, probably configure server. Maybe we might be able to pick up something along the way. Okay, deploy front end. Okay, deploy front end is fine. It's fine here. Okay, it's fine here. Okay, we are supposed to have the SSH fingerprints. Okay, that's so we can run AWS and commands. And Docker image as compatible Ansible, install Ansible, we've done that. Then scroll down a little bit. Scroll down. Then we're supposed to, okay, npm install, run build, then zip the directory. We actually did this star backend and copy everything. I think we were able to do that. So that's why we can see our backend folder in our EC2 instance. Then the inventory.txt, yeah, that was properly done because if not, we'll not be able to save the files, copy the files and save them into EC2 instance. So where we're having issues is the deploy row, where we are supposed to install npm2, npm, we've done that. PM2, we didn't use PM2 because we're having, okay. So once this fails, I would suggest that we try npm install, PM2 stop default, and this. So, but which folder are we supposed to do that? In the deploy role, you can extract the zipped artifact into the EC2 instance, then start the app. Okay. You can extract the artifact into, and then start the app. So we'll find out if we are supposed to be in any particular, we have to be in the, what do you call it? We have to be in the backend directory if we want to run npm install, npm to stop default, then pm to start, npm start. Okay, we'll take note of that. Probably will be our next line of action. We've tried this in the past and it didn't work. That was why we decided to use Forever. It did work. I submitted and they accepted it. So let's see. Can we go and check the jobs? This is not bad, but it's taking time. So let's go and see what's happening in the previous job that failed. So yeah, exactly. Good. Let's SSH into the smoke test. But even if we do this now, the funniest thing is it will pass because we already manually installed the files. So I don't know. Let's SSH it to the deploy, the job before this.
The job before this one.
Yes, the job before the smoke test. That should be deploy backend. No, go back to field. Okay. Then deploy backend. Deploy backend. Mm-hmm. So scroll down. And luckily for us, we didn't destroy this infrastructure. So can you try SSH into this machine? So we're just doing this so we don't wait in vain. Yes. So click on enable SSH. So copy line 2, SSH, all the way down to the end of the IP. So, okay, copy. Go to your VS Code. So paste that there. Enter. Yes. Type in yes. So can we seed into list directory first, ls, then seed into projects. Okay. So let's go back to our main.yaml under deploy task. Yeah, main.yaml under deploy task. Yeah. No, not that.
Deploy task. Okay.
Yeah. So, sorry. Let's go back to sorry, we're in a second. Let's go back to config.yaml. Sorry. So we want to run the task of the job one after the other. Let's see what's going to happen. Scroll up. Scroll up. Okay. Oh, no. Calm down. Okay, deploy backend. So let's run install node.js. I'm sure, check if we have a node version that's up and running here. Node. Go back to terminal. Okay. Node. We want to see if it was able to install those things. Node. Then dash. Yeah, dash. Version. Okay, it did. Then AWS, try AWS, enter AWS, S3,
Enter.
S3, S3, S3,
Okay.
LS, space LS. So list that, enter. So AWS CLI is installed. So Ansible, try, okay. Don't worry, instead of checking for Ansible, okay, just type, no, we don't have to. Let's just run this command one after the other. Let's try npm, just copy everything from line 278 down to, no, 278, 378, sorry, 378, pardon me, 378.
CD backend.
Yes, copy everything all the way down to
Where?
CD files.
Wait. 378.
Yes.
So CD
Okay.
files. This
Yes.
one, right?
Or all the way down to line 391, all the way down to line 391.
Okay.
So we want to see the yeah, copy, then paste it. It will run all the commands one after the other. Did you press enter?
Internet connection is unstable, but it looks like it's working.
It's working. So the whole output is from line 387, trying to compress the backend folder. While this is compressing, can we go and check our jobs in CircleCI?
Okay. Smoke test. Fancy. It's there.
Oh, click on smoke test here. Smoke test here, yes. Let's SSH into it. We want to see what actually, oh, it was front end that failed. Wow.
Front end.
Huh. Thank God. So the front end that failed, not the
So
back end,
should
because
I?
we made it fail. Let me tell you what I asked you to change and
Okay, this exit
yes,
one. Okay, okay.
yes. And if you check, it has line 11 and line 12 has this the endpoints and shows that it contains the word welcome. Yeah,
I'm
so
supposed
that's
to
it.
take the
So,
screenshot.
yes, you can take the screenshot of this. So I will
Wait.
explain what I changed and
Okay.
yeah, I
Or
will
is it
explain what
part
I
of
changed.
what we're supposed to take screenshot of?
That should be yes.
Okay. I think
Yeah.
this one. Yeah.
So once you are done, you can just go back to the playbook, the one I asked us to comment out. Yeah, go back to VS Code. So this was not actually the problem. Let me show you what the problem was. Go to deploy backend.yaml, the one we comment exactly that. Scroll to the top. If you compare the two files, one of them is lacking something. Environment variables or
Okay, yes.
yeah, I seriously have not been able to tie the two together while we still need environment variables here. Do you get what I'm trying to say?
Yes.
And from the code we're given, were we told to change the environment variables here? I think it was in the other file. Maybe they assumed that we're going to do the same here. Do you get what I'm trying to say?
Let me go to the project and check.
Yeah, go to the project. Were we asked to change the environment variables to include environment variables in our deploy backend Ansible config.yaml file? No, this is for task. Scroll up. Okay. Get backend URL. They are still talking about the jobs here. Scroll up. Up. Oh, just stay here first. Attach workspace. Get backend URL. Go up. Go up. They still not talked about Ansible. Scroll up. Keep scrolling. Keep scrolling. Keep scrolling. Keep scrolling.
That's the play first.
Oh,
Okay,
okay. This is it. Configure. Okay, let's see. Scroll up a little. Okay, configure server. Before you write this step, you have to finish the Ansible playbook here. After the playbook, you run this against here the details below. I think this was directly stated for configure server, and we would believe okay, this is necessary. Do you get what I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
But it was never explicitly stated that we should add this for our deploy backend server. Do you get what I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
So I did this, but I decided since I could not make any logic connection, and we said we're not supposed to change anything there. That was why I left it out, and it was a source of delay.
But was that how you did it on your project?
What did you say?
Was that how you did it on your project?
Yes, that was how I did it in my project. That was how I did it in my project. I included this. What I just sent to you was exactly the way it was in my project, because that was the only difference between this file and that, just to make sure we are on the right track.
All right.
I guess we'll still have a lot of readings to do to be able to connect that part to it. I know this is supposed to help us add environment variables to our Ansible scripts. Yes. Okay, let's go, because it doesn't really add it to the EC2 instance. I already confirmed that. So should we exit this one, or will be kind enough to let it finish?
How long is it going to take?
Well,
I don't know. What do you think?
okay. Just Control C then.
Control C.
Control C. Click in between, then Control C. And if you want to be nice enough not to disturb the terminal, well, it's not a living thing anyway. Yeah, you can get a new one. Or you press Control C.
Control C is
Control C, then exit.
Okay.
Oh, fine. So okay, type in exit. Oh, fine. So now that we've gone that past that, so let's go back to our config.yaml file, and we go and.
Wait, what about this one? We should leave it like this.
No, delete it. It didn't serve us.
Okay.
And you can change the name of the play to, oh, it's still configuration play. Just delete it. It didn't serve us. Yes, it didn't. It was actually a cause of pain. Yes. Save. Go back to config.yaml. So scroll down. Our smoke test. At the end of our smoke test, we commented out deleting environment variables. So that's so we could access it into the machine, yeah, and fix problems. So now we are sure that we have no problem there. So you can uncomment the two lines, line 435 and 436. So then remember that we've made this thing fail by default. So go to line 431 and make that exit 0. So that the job will pass. Yes. So scroll down. Is there any other thing? No. Scroll down. Since, yeah, so this will be the first time, the rest will run. So okay, just trying to make sure they're in good shape too. Okay, now we can add.
So what should I call it now?
Fixed backend.
Deploy backend.
Oh yeah, fixed backend. No, backend, leave it at, okay, you can just write whatever it is you want to.
No, deploy backend.
I know it wasn't deploy. We have to fix the whole backend itself.
Okay.
Yeah. Because we never even touched deploy back. Did we touch deploy backend? No, I think it was the Ansible file we touched for deploy backend. Push origin. So we expect this to pass. And if you are lucky enough, everything would pass. Yeah. Then we would have to go and check. What's that?
Screenshots. I don't want us to forget.
No, you took a screenshot for this one.
You said, yeah, but you said that we'll have a lot of screenshots to take somewhere.
Yeah, it will be for the past test after this one. Okay. The rollback phase, the revert migration. The revert migration. Stay here. No. Go back. Go back. You could have taken a screenshot somewhere there. Front. Oh, we didn't make our migration revert here because we wanted to troubleshoot. So go back. We'll use one of the previous jobs. Okay. Life is not that difficult. Where we had revert migration in action. Scroll down. Pick up. No. Pick job 27. Let's see what happened. 27. Yeah.
So this one.
Yes. What happened in there? What field?
Smoke test.
That's smoke test. Okay, click on it. Click on the smoke test. So we hope oh, did we revert migration here? Yeah, so we did. So you need to show a screenshot that you destroyed your environment. Expand, destroy your environment. Yeah. So this is a screenshot you need. So take a screenshot of this and a screenshot of reverse migration. It should have been nice. You need to take screenshots of the whole screen.
Oh, of the whole screen.
Yes.
Okay.
It helps to know what jobs actually ran exactly. We can see your account name. You can see everything. If you just submit that alone, it's possible someone else can borrow your screenshots and your codes.
Wait, so Aisha was that means this one ensure backend infrastructure exists. See,
You
how
might
we
go
like
back and edit it or you leave it. But you can do that after
they'll
this
still be
session.
there, right?
They'll still be there. I did my screenshot gathering after
Oh,
I
after.
fixed. Yeah.
Um,
So we can take a screenshot of
backend
revert
for
migration
this
too.
one.
Revert migration. Okay.
This one I want to take. I haven't taken it.
Okay.
No.
It's similar in here. Okay.
Yeah, sure. I'm here.
Okay. We have
So quiet.
it's like a lot of people don't know we have a session today.
That's the day. Maybe they couldn't make it.
No. It's like they were not available when we decided to push till today. At least they could have actually checked to see if the session is holding or not. So let's go and check how our current job is faring. It's still running. I would want us to jump ahead of ourselves if we'll be doing that anyway. This installed alerts. Oh, we would have alerts left, alerts and Prometheus. Installing Prometheus. Did you do that in the classroom? I think that's not a problematic part of this project. Are we to delve into that?
This one updates.
Oh, no. That's a new phase. We are not there yet.
Okay, that's permission phase. Okay.
Yes.
I was thinking we agreed that we should use email and not.
No. There's we use email, but I think that's Prometheus turning errors into Siren.
Oh, okay, that's number 6 now.
No, not yet. Don't worry. I'm jumping way too far ahead.
Which one should we go to?
Rollback phase. We are in rollback phase already.
Yeah.
Destroy environments. No. Yeah, we've done all this.
Yeah.
Yes. Rollback phase. Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down. We've done this. Yeah. Where we took screenshots for destroy environment and reverse migration. Then promotion phase. That's CloudFront update. Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down. So update CloudFront distribution. We're taking a screenshot there. Once we get there, if our job passes, I believe it should. Scroll down. So screenshot 8, scroll down. CloudFront distribution. Yeah, that will be screenshots. That would be URL. Yeah. So you can do this. Is this going to be available now? Yeah, I think this is available now.
Yes,
yeah, it's available now. Go and do that. In order to save time and even save recording, since the job is just running, you can take a screenshot and we'll wait till the job's okay. You can take a screenshot here. I would like to take a 10 minutes break. I just take permission to be absent for 10 minutes. Then I will be back.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
Well done.
I'll be back in the next 10 minutes. Thank you.
All right. Thank you. Victor, have you stopped recording?